Now let's get ready for an important fun and friendly competition. We have a fantastic lineup of games and activities planned for you all today. From the children's competition to the individual and group games, there's something to everyone to enjoy.
At ibigay
So, okay, ready na. Tapos na kayo dyan sa conference nyo. Okay, once again, good afternoon everyone. To formally start our event. Good morning. Sorry. So, we will have now our figure dance competition.
gusto ko sana sa harap.
Ayan kayo, diba? Sunod na yan. Oh yeah, we will call you on the later. Okay? From external team. As I call out your team name, please give us a shout and show your team banner. External team. External A. How about internal?
Itayo.
And of course, the formation team. Magpapahuli ba ang SMCG yan? Gusto kong marinig ang Saturday group. Nasa kitchen talaga. Ito na yung sa umasan. So, okay, Diman, so before we go to call their names for the participants, so we will have first our judges, panel of judges here. Okay, let us acknowledge our esteemed panel of judges for today's Q-Dance competition. First up with, we have Sister Ellen Sabodlong, MIC. Second up with Ate Ruth. Next, Nerl Balbuena, followed by Rochelle Divino, and our very own internal in charge, Deo Castellano. And last but not the least, Lisa Linayo. So narinig mo kayo mga judges, panel of judges natin, di ba? Kasi sila ang ating mga judges. Let's give them a round of applause to our judges. Palakpak naman kayo. So, magkaroon kasi competition to, so we will have our criteria for judging. How we are going to judge our performance for today. To read the criteria for judging, we have parade presence, 10 points. Number of members, 10 points. Timeliness, 10 points. Ulit. Enunciation, 10 points. Again, actions, 30 points. And message, 30 points. With a total of 100 points. So, hopefully, sa mga performance yun, nandun lahat yung criteria natin. And we will see kung sino ang magiging manalo today. So, first up, we have.
Saan siya sa kayo?
So, first up, we have the external A. Your hands, please. Palakpak naman kayo dyan. So, very nice sa mga music natin na dapat naka-ready na. Yung mga susunod na performer, yung mga music nyo, ready.
Alin, para makita mga lang din pag pinuon.
Hindi, may style sila. May style sila.
Mas maluwang mag-load sila haharap. Doon ang harap. Mas maluwang kasi
So, saan ang harap dito, Ner? Dito. So, okay, dito kayo nangarap pala dito. Sorry for the...
Saan?
So, we have your things here. Dito ang harap.
Saan ang harap?
So, mga judges, okay lang kayo. Dikita naman ang performance nila kasi. Okay. So, okay lang sila doon. Nag-practice natin. Nasa pagkakit.
Kasi mga ulan doon.
So, okay. Ready?
Thank you.